Scientists are using genetics to help control infectious diseases like malaria. Genetics is the study of how things vary and how these differences are inherited. Understanding genetic variation is important for malaria control because it can tell you how individuals are related to different populations and can also provide important clues as to why some individuals are able to evade our best defences. An effective and powerful way to measure variation in parasites is by comparing their DNA. DNA is the molecule inside all living things that contains the instructions for how they are built. This information is written in a code of just 4 paired letters or bases and is stored inside a very long sequence called a genome. DNA is passed down from generation to generation, but for this to happen, it needs to be replicated. When it replicates, the sequence is unlinked and 2 new copies of DNA are made by matching each original base to a new complementary one. But this replication process isn't always perfect, and mistakes can creep in. These mistakes are called mutations. And although rare, mutations can happen anywhere in the sequence, anytime it's copied, just by chance. Most mutations are harmless, but very occasionally they can change the way things look or how they work. Over time, mutations are passed on so that gradually the DNA in each new generation is different from the previous ones. Comparing the DNA across parasites shows which of them share the same mutations, and the more mutations 2 individuals share, the more closely related they are. By monitoring variation in populations of malaria parasites, we can track the emergence of new mutations, including those that make parasites resistant to drugs. Therefore, genetics is a practical tool that can help to inform people who are making important decisions in the fight to eliminate malaria.